just got by mail today, and I've been looking through a lot of products there that it's a portable speaker. So I got actually the JBW portable. I'm gonna give it a try. I just got it by mail today. I did bought a speaker of a speaker box of 100, and I also got a case for it. It has wheels. I'm gonna show it to you. And yeah, so this one, the JBW speaker that I was telling you, and I got also the cover for this, so I won't have to, you know, drag myself. It is lightweight as well too, it's 22 pounds, but still, I rather, you know, I'm gonna open it up. First, we're gonna go to the other one.
เสียงบ้าโวลูม
This is from the IDJ Now. Alright. It's a big box, so just for your big cake. Alright. So this is how it is, basically. It looks like it's 10. It has the handle, so you can just it has the wheel, as you can see here. So it has the pockets to put all your accessories there. You need to charge, stuff like that. Has a zipper for that one. And here we've got the two zippers. And okay, that goes. So far so good. So if you guys use it, you guys just leave it there. Don't move. I'm gonna open this one, okay? Let me see. It's hot in here. Okay, this is the charger, right? Manual and a cable to connect it. So far, let's put this aside. I really heard that the brand is really good. This is why it's very expensive though. This one costs like $349 plus tax. It came up to $381. It came up to, and I got this also in Walmart. Okay, guys, this is it. This right here is the baby right here that I've been waiting for. It has this logo JBL, like I mentioned, and it actually does weight. Looks like heavy. So far it's 22. Here are the buttons. As you can see, we got the plus, the Bluetooth light, the power here. In the back of this, we got here the outlets, the inputs. We got the mic, the guitar input for it, the USB. So whatever music that you got a USB, you can just connect it to it. The aux. So this is nice. Oh, and that's the input for to charge. So let's see if it has a little bit of power. Let's try to turn it on. But I actually have to download this. I gotta download it. I'm gonna see if it has something. I hope it does have some batteries in it. So let's see what's. Once you turn it on, this is what the lights comes out. Beautiful, right? Like a nightclub there when it's nighttime. Alrighty. So thank you guys so much. I am gonna give another make another video. So to make a testing, I'm going to run and make a test on the bass, the sound, how high the sound goes to. And so far, we're gonna go and just stay with me for the next one. I'm gonna show you what's more in this the Speaker Portable 100. See you guys.